Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Jira, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating a Jira account if you don't already have one. Visit the Jira website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information such as your email address and password. Once you have your account, log into Jira. Navigate to the project dashboard. Create a new project by clicking on the Create Project button. Choose a template that fits your investment needs, such as Kanban or Scrum. Name your project and click Create. Familiarize yourself with the Jira interface and its features. Next, add team members to your project by going to the project settings and selecting users and roles. Invite your colleagues by entering their email addresses. Once your team is set up, define your investment goals. Create a backlog of tasks related to these goals by clicking on Backlog. Add tasks such as research investment options or analyze performance. Use labels or tags to categorize these tasks for easy tracking. Establish deadlines for each task to ensure timely completion. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. Create sprints if you're using a Scrum template to manage workload over specific periods. During each sprint, focus on completing the most important tasks in your backlog. Utilize Jira's reporting features to monitor your team's progress. Regularly check the sprint report for updates on completed tasks. Conduct sprint reviews to assess what went well and what can be improved. Make adjustments to your project plan based on these reviews. Use Jira's dashboards to visualize your investment process and progress. Share these dashboards with your team for transparency. Continue refining your project as you learn more about your investment activities. Always keep communication open within your team through comments and updates on tasks. As you gain experience, explore advanced features such as automation and integrations with other tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.